Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City right now in the garage of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Gonna do a walkthrough, not a detailed tour, which I have plenty of those here on the New York channel. This is just gonna be a quick walkthrough, maybe not so quick. These usually last about, 15-20 minutes, but we're just gonna walk through the entire hotel and see what's new, if anything, and just see what's going on today. Come along with me. Yep, just a casual walkthrough to see what's changed, if anything, since my last visit here. And most importantly, to take a look at some of the renovations that they've been doing, as well as new restaurants that have recently opened. These walkthroughs are just that, not a detailed tour, not a lot of commentary, just walking around, checking out the sights and sounds of the property. Hard Rock's been spending a lot of money on this property. In fact, the resort announced a $50 million capital improvement program for this year, and that work included renovations to the north and south towers. We won't be seeing those today. We're not doing a room tour today, but it also included new carpeting and refreshed public areas, as well as new dining options. And you guys know how Atlantic City is. You come down here 1 month, come back a month or two later, and suddenly there's a new restaurant or a new bar, a new section of casino floor, new carpeting, different slot machines, or some kind of construction wall that wasn't there the last time. That's why I enjoy doing these casual walkthrough videos. And while we're walking, let me know in the comments section, is Hard Rock your favorite casino in Atlantic City? And if it isn't, which Atlantic City casino is your favorite? Leave a comment below. Let's start walking around and seeing what's up. Of course, one of the biggest attractions at any Hard Rock property is the music memorabilia, and if you go through my videos, you'll find memorabilia from several Hard Rock properties that I visited, but this one, they say, is the largest collection. You could really spend an entire afternoon walking around this casino just looking at the displays, and I think a lot of visitors make a mistake just by walking past these items too quickly. Of course, they're focused on reaching the casino floor, checking into their room, finding a restaurant, or getting to a show, but some of the memorabilia displayed throughout this building is worth stopping to examine. The collection includes items from performers such as the Beatles, Elvis Presley, Madonna, Kiss, Bruce Springsteen, Bon Jovi, and many others. Among the best-known pieces are handwritten lyrics to John Lennon's Imagine and a Rolls-Royce Phantom that was once owned by Elvis Presley. I've eaten at many restaurants here at the Hard Rock, including the Icon Lounge, which we just passed, and the new Federal Donuts and Chicken. What did I think of the Federal Donuts and Chicken? Well, check it out over on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel. If we walk all the way to the end of this hall, we'll come to a pedestrian bridge that leads us right into Resorts Hotel and Casino next door. Hold on tight! Let's quickly head on upstairs and check out the Rock Spa and Salon. If you remember, we started this video from the parking garage, which is on the second level, which we just checked out. Now we're down on the main level, the front entrance, and we're going to check the hotel and casino out from this perspective. I'll show you where the new Sitar restaurant and bar are located later in the video. But first, let's check out the lobby bar. I recently did a post on Facebook that was quite popular about a band that was playing here today. They're dressed up as the crew from Gilligan's Island playing yacht rock. That post was pretty popular. A lot of you guys wanted to hear what they sound like, so here we go. Of course, unfortunately, I have to play some background music as well because I'm sure the great song, it really is a great song, Africa, is copyright protected. The Hard Rock's a very popular place to stay here in Atlantic City, and I stay here quite often, and there's always a line, trust me, but it moves quickly, and that's because there's a full staff of friendly, smiling people behind the counter. Hey guys, if you'd like to support the New York channel, then click on that super thanks button right underneath this video, or better yet, become a member of the New York channel. Membership has its perks, including exclusive content. And a shout out to a new member, John Casasi, who became a new member of the New York channel. Thanks so much for your support, John. I really do appreciate it. All these corridors were refreshed as part of that $50 million capital improvement program that they just completed. A lot of it was spent in the North Tower, by the way. Renovations have now been completed on more than 700 standard guest rooms in the North Tower, over 60 suites and 8 penthouses. The project also included refreshed corridors, walkways, and public spaces. And while the inside of the North Tower was refreshed, a lot of the exterior of the South Tower was refreshed as well. And of course, lots of improvements in the public spaces we're walking around today, including new carpets throughout. And again, if you'd like to see what any of these rooms or suites look like, you can check them out here on the New York channel, as well as all the restaurants we're walking past as well. Again, today's video, just a walkthrough to see what's going on and see if anything's new. Here we're checking out the busy crew at Yo-Yo Noodle, as well as the new takeout counter. Here's the Plum VIP Lounge. I've never been in it. Apparently, I don't put the I in VIP. Those of you who visit the Hard Rock often know that various areas of the casino floor have been closed over the past several months, including this one, but they're now all open and refurbished. One of the reasons I keep returning to Atlantic City is because the city never really stays exactly the same. People who don't visit regularly sometimes assume that every Atlantic City casino is frozen in time. They remember a trip 10 or 20 years ago and assume everything still looks exactly as it did then, but in reality, it's very different. Restaurants open and close, hotel towers are renovated, casino floors are rearranged, new attractions arrive, older concepts disappear. Some changes are enormous and immediately obvious, other changes are very subtle. You might walk through a hallway and think it feels brighter without realizing the carpeting and lighting were replaced. You may sit at a bar and notice that the furniture has been replaced. You may even see a restaurant entrance where there used to be a construction wall. That constant evolution gives me the reason to continue making these videos. I am here today, obviously, during the FIFA final. The time and day of your visit can completely change your impression of the Hard Rock or any hotel and casino here in Atlantic City. Visit during a weekday morning and certain areas may feel quiet, restaurants might not be open yet, the casino floor may have plenty of available machines, the hallways may seem easy to navigate. Come back on a Saturday night when a major performer is appearing and it can feel entirely different. The bars may be crowded, restaurants might have long lines, the casino floor may be full, and you'll see lines forming near the entertainment venues. Neither experience represents the property at all times. That's why one person may describe the Hard Rock as a calm and relaxing place, while someone else describes it as loud and crowded. They may both be telling the truth, they simply visited under different circumstances. Today's video represents this particular day and this particular time. The next visit may look very different. We're heading into the lobby of Soundwaves, another entertainment venue here at the Hard Rock and home of the new Sitar Indian cuisine restaurant and the new Sitar Bar, formerly the Whammy Bar. While we're outside on the boardwalk now, let's take a moment and hear from all of you. When was the last time you visited the Hard Rock in Atlantic City? Did you stay overnight or were you here for the day? Did you attend a concert? Did you eat at one of the restaurants? Have you seen one of the renovated North Tower rooms? Have you tried Federal Donuts? Have you eaten at the new Sitar restaurant? And what's the one thing Hard Rock could add or change that would improve the property for you? Maybe you want another casual restaurant or perhaps a larger sports book. That's something I would like to see. Maybe different types of entertainment. Put your ideas in the comments. You never know who might be reading them. I happened to be walking by the Hard Rock Cafe's Boardwalk bar when the winning FIFA team was announced in overtime. Let's go inside and check it out. That was a really long game. Like I said, it went into overtime. I was actually at the Golden Nugget on the marina side of town during halftime. Well, we covered a lot of ground today. We walked through the casino, looked at the new carpeting and refreshed public areas, checked out the bars and entertainment spaces, visited Federal Donuts and Chicken, looked at the new Sitar restaurant and bar, and discussed the major North Tower room renovations. We also talked about the completed South Tower exterior work and some of the less visible improvements that are part of maintaining a large beachfront casino resort. What stands out to me is that the Hard Rock is continuing to invest in the property. A $50 million improvement program is significant, particularly for a resort that underwent a massive transformation less than a decade ago. The Hard Rock could have decided that the 2018 renovation was enough for a while, but instead it is updating hundreds of hotel rooms, refreshing the corridors and carpeting, and expanding the dining lineup. Whether every change appeals to every visitor is a separate question, but reinvestment is generally a positive sign. It shows that management understands the competition in Atlantic City. I mean, visitors do have choices. Every casino has to give people a reason to walk through its doors, book a room, purchase a concert ticket, or make a dinner reservation. You have to keep the experience fresh, and that's exactly what Hard Rock's doing. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up, share it on your social media, and hit that hype button. Jeff from New York, I'll see you around the city.